More breaking inputs coming in. Rajya Sabha MP Kapil Sibal has countered BJP's attack on OpenAI. Kapil Sibal says BJP is giving statements as they are worried about the results.
That's what the BJP is saying. Are they worried about the election, the result? I mean, Chandrasekhar should tell us honestly what's going to happen on 4th. And he knows what's going to happen. And so does the Prime Minister.
Mohit is with us on the broadcast talking about political reactions, left and the Congress hitting out at the BJP. Left, in fact, also going to the extent of saying this has been orchestrated by the BJP itself. They're peddling this narrative on social media. Kapil Sibal adds to it saying BJP is scared.
Well, yes, in fact, Swati, while the BJP has clearly stated that this is a threat to Indian democracy, that the foreign players are trying to meddle into the Indian elections, and Rajiv Chandrasekhar, the IT minister, clearly stated that this is being done on behest of certain political parties in India, that anti-BJP propaganda is being spread on social media platforms, including X, Facebook, and Instagram. Now, since this report has come out, we have seen that how BJP is attacking the opposition party, saying that this foreign interference is not new. Earlier also we have seen that how the Congress party, with the help of Cambridge Analytica, tried to meddle into the Indian elections. This is what the BJP says, and this time around too, because they know that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is a very strong leader, and the foreign powers do not want a strong person to continue be the Prime Minister of the country, and that is why they want to remove Prime Minister. And this is all being done on the behest of certain political parties in India, while the opposition parties over here say that it's an Israeli firm. And as Hanan Molla, left leader, has also stated that why exactly would the Israeli firm work against the BJP? Because India is friends with Israel. The BJP is friends with Israel. So clearly the doubts are being raised. We have seen that how Kapil Sibal is saying that because BJP is losing, such kind of narrative is being peddled. But yes, a report has come out which clearly says that how there was an attempt to meddle into the India's elections by creating fake comments, fake profiles, fake articles which will target BJP and praise the Congress party, and that was spotted within 24 hours by the OpenAI. But yes, this has created political ripples. We see that the BJP clearly says that the foreign powers are being used by the Indian people who are sitting in India to remove Prime Minister Narendra Modi from power, and for that a fake propaganda, a fake narrative is being used. So clearly we see a massive political row, given the fact that how it has come at a time when the elections were going on, and now the elections are over.
Mohit and Rishabh, stay on with us. Let's also talk about the Prime Minister mentioning this during the exclusive interview with Times Now. Take a look.
प्रधानमंत्री जी, लेकिन मैं एक दिमाग में एक सवाल आता है कि आप हर बार जब चुनावी रैली में जाते हैं, आप कहते हैं कि भारत मेरे तीसरे टर्म में 3 नंबर की इकोनॉमी बनेगा। आप देश को आगे ले जाने की बात कर रहे हैं, आप एक ग्रोथ ट्रैजेक्टरी पे डालने की बात कर रहे हैं। आपको नहीं लगता कि एक इकोसिस्टम होगा जो ये भारत की बढ़ोतरी को रोकने की कोशिश करेगा, सिर्फ देश में नहीं बाहर भी? और इनमें कुछ लिंक नजर आता है कुछ?
मुझे लगता है कि ये विरोध और जो तीव्रता है, इसकी उम्र 4 जून तक है। 4 जून के बाद न उनकी हैसियत होगी, न उनका हौसला होगा। सिर्फ और सिर्फ मेरे देश की ताकत होगी, मेरे देश का सामर्थ्य होगा, मेरे देश के लोकतंत्र का सामर्थ्य होगा, मेरे देश के 140 करोड़ नागरिकों का सामर्थ्य होगा, और दुनिया भारत के लोकतांत्रिक सामर्थ्य को नए सिरे से देखना शुरू करेगी। और ये जो भी है, मैं देख रहा हूँ पूरी दुनिया भारत के चुनाव को इन्फ्लुएंस करने के लिए कोशिश कर रही है, जो कि उनको नहीं करना चाहिए। ये वो अपना ओपिनियन नहीं दे रहे हैं, अपना कमेंट नहीं कर रहे हैं, वो इन्फ्लुएंस कर रहे हैं। लेकिन भारत में इन्फ्लुएंस नहीं कर पाएंगे। भारत के लोगों के बहुत सी अंदरूनी जो शक्ति होती है वो बड़ी जबरदस्त होती है। वो आपातकाल के चुनाव के बाद देश ने देख लिया है कि भारत का गरीब के मगर आदमी में भी लोकतंत्र, स्वतंत्रता, ये आदर्श क्या होते हैं उसने दिखाया है, और इसलिए इसमें तो वो कुछ कर नहीं पाएंगे। मुझे पक्का विश्वास है कि जब दीपक बूझने को होता है ना, तो
लौ फटफड़ाती है,
तो ये वो फटफटाहट है। अब उनको अंधेरे में जाना ही जाना है जी।